try again. So the rim of the missus car, you can just see that teeny tiny crack. So it's been repaired already. I think before we bought it, it had been down a pothole, flattened it and cracked it. So along there. But I think because he hasn't welded this bit, it sent the crack round the corner, and it has been a bit dark. Yes, it's been welded all the way in there, and he's done a good job. But I think he's just missed that bit, and he's not there till Monday. I could do with having the car back on the road, so yeah, I'm gonna have a go myself. I mean, it's already. Can't fuck it anymore, can you? So first order is to clean all this up. Apparently, get all this cleaned up, get that ground out, get a nice deep V on it. Yeah, let's see how we go. Well, that all escalated a bit quickly. I found a little bit of porosity down the middle, so who knows, maybe he just didn't quite get the two to flow together. I don't know, I'm not calling his work, it's just, it didn't work this time, so I'll try and, I've never done this before, but I'm going to try and get this in the middle and start building up from there and just keep building it up. I don't know if I'm doing it right or wrong, but time will tell. I tell you what, hats off to those guys that do the TIG welding thing. I mean, I'm not going to win any Instagram following, look at my pretty welds, but I think that's got it. We'll get that dressed up, so we'll just darken that up a bit. So all dressed and nowhere to go. I think that should be okay. I'm not going to win any competitions, but I'm not in a competition. Just need to make the missus happy. So we'll get that prepped, primed, painted, and then go and get the tyre slung back on. There we go. Done painted. It was about here, I think, where that crack was. So that's only taken me, what, 4 hours. Yep, 4 hours. Still, another learning experience, eh? Thanks for watching. See you next time.